What's the craziest thing a family member has ever done? At a family gathering, I went to my room after dinner to grab my phone. When I opened the door, I froze. My little cousin was standing by my dresser holding my wallet. He was flipping through the cash, giggling like he just found buried treasure. I walked in. "What are you doing?" He looked up, wide-eyed, and immediately shoved the wallet behind his back. I was just looking in my wallet. I told him to get out of my room and he ran off, laughing like it was all a joke. At first I brushed it off, but something didn't sit right. So I picked up my wallet and checked inside. Money? Gone. Gift cards? Gone. My ID? Somehow still there, but shoved in the wrong slot. At this point I was mad. I found my cousin in the living room and asked him straight up, "Did you take anything from my wallet?" His face went red. "No." I narrowed my eyes. "Are you sure?" He crossed his arms. "Yeah, alright, fine, time to escalate." I went to his mom, who's my aunt, and calmly explained what happened. She laughed in my face. "Are you serious? He's just a kid, he wouldn't steal." "Then let me check his pockets," I said. She gasped, acting like I had just accused him of robbing a bank. "How dare you accuse my son of stealing from his own family?" Now the whole room was staring at us. I sighed and was about to let it go when I noticed something. Her purse was sitting right next to her, and sticking out of the top was my gift card. I pointed at it. "Then explain why that's in your bag." The entire room went silent. My aunt's face twitched. Then she lost it. She stood up, screaming about how she was being attacked, and how we were all against her. Then